Welcome, guys. I'm just stewing some fruits for a birthday cake. So I'm making Jamaican fruit cake that people use for weddings and birthdays. Also, it's our favorite Christmas cake, but it's not Christmas time. I'm doing this for a birthday cake. Someone requested it. So I am going to make them a birthday cake. So because I didn't have this soaking for 4 or 3 months like I normally do for my Christmas cake, I would have to stew them. So this is what I'm doing. So in my pot I have my mixed peel. Hey Debbie Debs Bashman, hey Chef Andre. So I have my mixed peel, my mixed fruit peel, and I have some green cherries, red cherries, and I also have in here some raisins. So I use red label wine. So I have red label wine in here boiling the fruits. And I also have my fruit wine, and I'm using this fruit wine. Kosher wine, you can use any one of these. So I'll put it right here for those who want to see it. So that one with the red label wine. And when I'm stewing my fruits, I like to use a little bit of spice just to stew my fruits. So here I have my island rum. My ancestors are gonna guide me, but I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of the island rum, about another teaspoon of my almond extract, and I have my mixed essence. I'm adding about a teaspoon as well. And of course, you know, you have to go in with some vanilla. Is the light okay? No. So let me just see if I can fix the lighting, because I think it's shining on my pot too much. Well, I think it's the one under the stove. Let me pull this away a little bit and see if that's better. So I'm gonna go in with my vanilla. Blessings everyone, Riverside Record. About a teaspoon as well. And of course I have the white rum in there. So I have white rum, my kosher wine, which is that red wine over there. Or you can use any fruit wine. And I have my red label wine, my mixed fruit peel, raisins, and cherries. So after I stew my fruits, I am going to go ahead and I'm going to allow them to cool. And after they are cool, I am going to blend these because I don't like when the fruits are lumpy and whole in my cake. So from day one, before I even start making my fruit cake or my black cake, you see all the flavors and all the spices are added from the fruits. So this is what it is looking like. I have green cherries, mixed fruits in here, as you can see. Allowing this to steam or stew, whatever you want to call it, for about 5 minutes. And then we are going to turn off the stove and leave it to cool down. Hey Flossy Cooking Vlogs, leave it to cool down, and then we're going to blend it up after it is cool. You don't have to blend it, but I prefer to blend because I do not like when my cake have lumps of fruits. So let me show you the mixed fruit peel that I am using. So I'm using this one. This is a mixed fruit peel that I'm using. It's basically mixed fruits. And you know, red cherries, green cherries. Thanks, Denise. You know, red cherries, green cherries. And I'm using some seedless raisins. Yes, somebody about to have a great birthday, Reda. Teacher P, big up, blessings, blessings. Yeah, I'm stewing fruits because somebody requested a birthday cake and I didn't have any fruits soaking. So, you know, if I didn't have fruits soaking from 2-3 months ago. Hey, Chef Ricardo General, Flossy Cooking and Vlogs. So, if you didn't have your fruits soaking, you'll have to stew them to get all the flavors in the fruits and also to get them a little bit soft. Okay, so after the water starts to boil like this, you want to turn it off because you don't want to boil out a little rum, because you know when rum is boiled, it loses some of the, what I call it, saying a strong again. So at this point, you leave it to boil about 4 minutes. You want to turn it off because when I want to boil out a little white rum in here. Your ancestors, them love white rum. So turn off my stove now, and I'm going to remove it from the heat, and I'm just going to allow it now I'm going to put it over here. So I'm going to put it off the stove like that, and I'm just going to allow it to cool down. After it is cooled down, then I am going to blend it. The Royal General, how are you doing? Blessings, blessings, everyone. Eltiside said, good job. Thank you so much, Chef Ricardo. Guys, Chef Ricardo is in the building. Chef Andre is in the building. I'm going to make a birthday cake, so I'm stewing some fruits for those who are just joining. So I'm waiting until the fruits, I already stew them. So I'm waiting for it to cool down. And then I am going to blend these. You want to cover it down to keep all of the niceness inside. So I'm going to cover my pot. But this is hey Upton, this is how you stew your fruits for your rum cake, your black cake, Christmas cake, and your birthday cake if you didn't soak them over 3 months or 4 months. Some people have fruits soaking up to a year. And this is the wine that I used with the red label wine. So it's a red wine. It's a fruit wine. They call it the kosher wine. Kosher. It's a nice one to mix with the red label because it's fruity and nice. And I also added some spice. So I added my almond extract and my island rum. I also added mixed essence and vanilla and rose water. So all of the goodness is already inside my fruits before I even add it to the cake. And that is why the Jamaican recipe queen makes the best Christmas cake. If you want to see the recipe on my Christmas cake and also my sorrel cake, it is already on my channel, so you can search for that. I might make the video when I'm making the birthday cake, and I'll post that. I'll be icing that cake as well, so I'll show you how to icing your fruit cake or your birthday cake. But this is basically how you get your fruits nice and ready overnight, because I'll be making my cake tomorrow. So this is how you get your fruits ready overnight, and your cake tastes just as if your fruits were soaking for 3 to 4 months. Flossy Cooking, Teacher P, how is everyone doing? So I'm sorry that I couldn't show you how I'm going to blend this, but you all know how to blend. So basically you just make it cool down and you blend it as, you don't want to blend it too smooth. You still want to have a little bit of roughness. As I'm saying, you don't have to blend it If you weren't going to blend this, you might want to cut up your cherries, because as you can see, my green cherries are whole. You don't want to put whole cherries in your fruit cake. So if you're not planning on blending this and you like the chunks of fruits in your cake, you might want to cut up the cherries like the mixed peels, because the mixed peels are already diced. I'm okay, Queen. Thanks for asking. How are you doing? I'm good. I'm just making a how to order one of this cake. You can email me at TV. I'll have the email in my description, but it's dhaleytv@gmail.com. .com, yes. So you can email me, and I can, if you're in Canada, and I can make you one of these delicious birthday cake, fruit cake. You're getting married, I can make you one. Or if you want to have early Christmas, no worries. Yes, Teacher P, don't know. Blessings always. Just get this little cake order here, so I'm fulfilling it. Didn't have any soaked fruit, so I have to stew it. Yes, I'm in Canada in the same household. Okay, bye. That's my niece, guys. Ignore her. I'm looking for Chef Ricardo, not seeing him. Chef Ricardo is probably in the background. There he is. I need to order one cake for my birthday next year. Chef Ricardo, bye. About birthday next year. Guys, you see Chef Ricardo boy want to order a cake for his birthday next year. I might just drop it off. Yes, Alticide is Chef Ricardo, Teacher P. So if you only have Chef Ricardo cooking, you also have two other channel, which is Healthy Side, and his other channel is Chef Ricardo or something like that. What's your other channel name again? Chef Ricardo? I know one is Healthy Side, and I can't remember the other one name right now. I'm going blank. But he has two channels, and both of them are on his main channel. So you can just go over. Food news. Thank you, Chef Andre. So one of his channel is Healthy Side and Food News. Yes, Food News TV and Healthy Side. So if you only have Chef Ricardo cooking, you wanna go and join his Food News channel on his Healthy Side. The Healthy Side channel is actually my favorite, because it does a lot of healthy eats over there, and I'm trying to eat healthy for 2021 and going onward. I am connected to Food News already. First, I'm seeing Healthy Side. Okay, so yes, go and connect to Healthy Side as well. Flossy Cooking and Vlogs is shouting you out, Chef Ricardo. You're the big man in the building. You just take over my spotlight. Thanks for the support. Chef Ricardo said, thanks for the support. So basically, that is it. That is it, my people. So I'm just waiting until it's cooled down. Let me move over myself. I'm waiting until it's cooled down, and then I am going to blend it up. Turn on my light. So I'm going to blend it up, guys. So
There you can buy one of them, then it have to be cheap.
buy one of what? Your money's over there. It can't, me not for hold it, you know. Me can't drop it down. Me show you so me can drop it down. Hold on. Cause my niece come ring with my tripod, guys. But so me can buy one tripod, because me hold a tripod. Me can't drop it down. So don't bright. Bright up your ugly self with me. Tell her bright up her ugly self with me. Drop down my tripod, sure. See there? Tripod drop down. You see, so me not feel hold it.
Okay.
Because me never did want to drop it down.
It is weird.
So, let me see if we can fix it up a little bit better. See? Tripod look nice. Now I don't even have to hold my tripod anymore. Elty said it's a good job. Me need to laugh after my tripod, guys. So somebody the other day somebody said to me that they sent me an email and they said that they like my flat belly tea that I have on my channel, and if I can share another flat belly tea with them. And Chef Ricardo, she said, you take Jaja. So the person said if I can share another flat belly tea with them, and they would like to see my stomach. So look out for that video. So I am going to share my flat belly tea or my flat tummy tea that I drink, and a girl with Prinny, and I am going to show you guys my stomach, because they want to see my stomach if I have a flat stomach, because if I'm making flat tummy tea, that simply means I have to have a flat stomach, right? Which makes sense. So I'm gonna make the one that I actually drink like every day, and I'm going to show you guys the result of my stomach. I'm gonna make you be the judge of my tea. So I think I'll put out that video Thursday, next week Thursday. So I'm gonna drink like 2 glasses of my flat tummy tea per day, just to show my stomach the result. So look out for my stomach next week. God is good, I learned a new recipe. Chef Ricardo joking. Whatever. But God is good, I learned a new recipe. So I'm going to make the flat stomach tea next week. And I'm going to show you my flat tummy recipe, queen. We're waiting. Yeah, because somebody requested that I share another flat tummy tea, but they also said that they want to see my stomach if it's working. Hey, pals. So basically what they're saying, if my flat stomach tea is not working, then that means it's not, if I don't have a flat stomach, then that means my flat stomach tea is not working. So I am going to show you. I don't work out. I do not work out. I used to work out before the gym in Canada, before them closed down. So about a year or more from the pandemic, all of the gym them closed down. So I have not worked out, so I'm just going to show you how I keep myself nice and trim with a flat stomach without working out. Weight loss tea them up. Yes, but I have one that I actually drink every day that I'm going to share with you. And when you're at my age, because when you're at my age, you tend to start putting on weight. I don't know if you know, the older you get, the more weight you tend to put on with age. So to keep your body looking lovely, nice, and young like mine, I'm gonna share my flat stomach tea. Hey, good day. My niece is over there dying, but I'm ignoring her. So I won't reveal my stomach today. I'm gonna comb my ear, actually comb my ear on that day. Put on one nice little top so you can see the flat stomach. I'm gonna put on a flare top, okay? And I'm gonna show you guys my stomach. But if you're not drink me tea, if you're not gonna watch my video, I'm not gonna share my stomach. If you don't want to see my stomach, you have to drink my tea and watch my video and comment. Okay? Riverside Records. A stop sign and put up in on my boss. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. And so look out for that video. Chef Andrea dead with laugh over there. Yes, Chef Andrea, so you cannot promote. Well, Chef Ricardo there. Chef Ricardo, we need to see your stomach. You cannot promote so much healthy food and so much flat weight loss. I wanna see your stomach. Me hear one of your viewers ask you the same question. Them say them want to see your stomach. So you have to go reveal your stomach soon. Cause me have to go reveal my stomach next week. Thought it was I-5. Oh, because it's in like the stop sign. I don't know what it meant. So blessings there, Flossy Cooking Vlogs. Bless up yourself. So I'm here for a few more minutes. I'm going half an hour. Gym time. No, I don't go to the gym, sweetie. The gyms are closed in Canada. They're not open yet. So it's just my weight loss tea and my healthy food. I have I have a playlist that have all of my healthy eats, my healthy recipes. So you can check out that playlist. It's my healthy recipes with all my overnight oats and my chia pudding, my healthy juices and stuff. Check out that because that's what I have on a daily basis. So my battery are dead, like always. Better the battery than me. So I respect you all. I go wait till my food cool down. And I go start blend it up. Bake my cake tomorrow. Maybe when I'm baking my cake, I'm gonna go live again. So look out for me tomorrow evening about this time because I have to work. I have a 9 to 5, so I get home like 6. So if you want to rub up the cake and bake the cake with me, then this is part 1. Part 2 coming tomorrow. Alright? So big up all I know. Big up on self. Jamaican Recipe Queen there for no. Flat stomach tea come out next week. And the Jamaican Recipe Queen I go show her flat stomach. Alright? Good night guys. Bless up. Hey, Cook with Almas. I'm just zooming out, so leave me a comment so I can tell you guys thanks as usual. You know, I look for the comments so I can personally thank you. If I don't see your comments, then I can't thank you. So remember to leave a comment. All right. Bless up.